Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade with Etrade. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account, which is a straightforward process online. You'll select the type of account that best suits your needs, whether it's an individual account or a joint one. Once your account is established, the next step is to fund it. You can typically do this through various methods, ensuring you meet any minimum deposit requirements to begin your trading journey. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore the Etrade platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which provides an overview of your investments and market activity. Etrade offers robust research tools that are invaluable for analyzing stocks and other securities. You can also access real-time market data and breaking news directly within the platform, helping you stay informed and make well-considered trading decisions. Now for the exciting part, placing your first trade. Use the search function to find the specific stocks or exchange-traded funds you're interested in. When you're ready to buy or sell, you'll choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum or minimum price. Always review all the trade details carefully before confirming your order to ensure everything is correct. After placing trades, it's crucial to monitor your portfolio's performance regularly. Etrade provides tools to help you track your investments and understand how they are performing over time. You can also set up custom alerts to notify you of significant price changes or other market events, keeping you informed without constant manual checking. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to streamline your meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. This proactive approach helps you manage your investments effectively and adapt to market conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.